Let's talk about using hairy money to count our coins. So if we use our coins and we line them up in order from the largest amount to the smallest amount, so I've got 1 quarter, which is 25. Then I have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and then my 1 penny. Okay, so hairy money is a strategy that you can use counting by fives. So if you were to look at your quarter, how many fives are in 25? Well, you can count that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you just draw hairs for each of your fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then you do the same thing for your dimes, which are worth 10. How many fives are in a 10? 5, 10, 2. So I'm going to do that for each of my dimes. And then my nickels. How many fives are in a nickel? 5. Just 1. So I'm going to draw 1 hair on each of my fives. And then I'm going to draw a line before my penny because pennies are only worth 1. So we're not going to count by fives for the pennies because they are only worth 1. Then you come back through and you can skip count by fives to add up the total of your coins. So I'm going to use a different color this time and go over all my hairs. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Then I've got my line to remind me that my penny is only worth 1, which makes it 66 cents. So that's just an easier strategy when you're first learning how to count coins because you know how to count by fives, so it makes it easier for you to count a collection of coins using hairy money.